Namaste, myself Mukesh. So today I'm going to share with you Gomukhasana, the cow face pose. Sit in Vajrasana. From the Vajrasana, just come up in the tabletop position, straight back. Then from you, take your right leg over your right knee, take it all the way back, separate your heel, separate your ankles, then push yourself back and sit on the mat. Sit properly, maintain your knees, thighs together, and maintain your back straight. Hold your toe with inhale, lift your chest, and exhale, fold forward. All the way forward, have your chin over your knee, and just neutral your head down. Shoulders relax, and stay here. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the nice stretch on the glutes area and stay here. With inhale, come up, all the way up, straight back, and then exhale, release your hands, palms in front. Again with inhale, come up in the tabletop position, and then exhale, just take your right leg back and then switch to the other side. We'll take your left leg over your right leg, separate your heel, make the space for your buttocks, then push yourself back, sit on the mat again. Adjust properly your sitting position. Hold your ankle, even you can hold your toe. With inhale, lift the chest, and then exhale, fold forward from your hip joint all the way forward. Again, have your chin over your knee. Stay here. Again, shoulders relax. Maintain your hips on the mat. Breathe in and breathe out. Your neck should be relaxed, so you're not giving any pressure on your neck part. With inhale, come up, all the way up, opening your chest, and then gently exhale, release the hands, palms in front. Inhale, come up, and then gently exhale, release your left leg back. Bring your knees, thighs together, sit in Vajrasana, and then relax. Thank you.